Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Mandeville, which is the capital of Manchester. It's also the largest town in Manchester, also the most populated town in Manchester. And we're going into the town center now. Straight ahead is the courthouse. Now Manchester was formed, or how would you say, created back in 1800s basically. So it's a very old town and it has grown over the years. It's one of the largest towns in Jamaica now, and it's also the only parish capital in Jamaica that's not built beside a river or the sea or the coast. It's I don't even think there is no coast in Manchester. I think it's a landlocked parish. So this is the town center now. Straight ahead is the, what would you say now, the transport center. And on the left is a lot of supermarkets. And straight ahead to the right is a church. Okay, so on the left now you have the KFC. And I think they have two KFCs in Mandeville. Yes, they do. There's one on the main road as you come in, and this is another one. So that would give you an idea of just how busy this town is. Okay, straight ahead on the right is a church. It's like one of the old historic churches. Probably was built in the 1800s. Okay, it's a Mandeville Parish Church. And as you can see the different uniforms, so you can tell there are a lot of schools in Mandeville. And straight ahead is the transport center where you would get your bus or your taxi. I must say Mandeville is, I've seen so many police on the road, so many police officers on the road in Mandeville. You don't really see that. And they're on motorbikes driving up and down. But of course no amount of police can stop this kind of indiscipline. On the left, it's a road, the main road. And look at that, the car just stopped, and one further down. So the cars now have to, basically this should be a 2-lane road, but because of this car it's turned into a 3-lane road. And they literally park and come out of the car and go and do what they have to do. Just don't care. Okay, on the right now is a market, and on the left is just more shops. And here is another example. At least this one had the courtesy of putting on its hazard lights. Oh boy. Yeah, nobody's in that car either. Traffic, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon, so that will give an idea of what the traffic is like. What you find with these towns, these old towns, especially in the country, okay, what's blocking up the road now is a truck is returning off the main road to go and deliver some goods. But these towns, they don't really have proper parking facilities, and especially when you're doing deliveries, you have to just stop in the main road, not in the main road, but you have to stop maybe to the side of the road or something to do the delivery. So it creates a traffic nightmare, and a lot of delivery companies and drivers, they don't like coming into these towns because they're so congested. They don't have proper parking facilities. Because when these things were being built or designed or laid out, they weren't, this town has been around from the 1800s. So you can imagine how many buildings were built over the years. And this is an example, you see. This is the parking for the supermarket on the left. Literally the parking. And it's like you're parking directly on the road. There's no other parking facility. So that helps to create a havoc in these country towns. And then when you factor in the people just stopping in the road and parking anywhere, that's why you get this kind of traffic. Okay, look on the right now. Literally, that is the parking lot for it's a department store. That's the parking. The cars hang out on the back of the road. As you can see, our mother's on the right. Somebody left a message that said we need to highlight the Jamaican restaurants more. So we keep talking about the foreign ones, so that's what we're doing. I mean, we value the feedback, so keep leaving it. We value the comments, especially when you add information about the video so we can use it in a future video. Okay, you see how busy this town is? And it's not even 5 o'clock yet. And you're going to find like every major bank, insurance company, financial institution, government agency, everything in Mandeville. Everything. And you're going to find a lot of churches too. On the right is a church teachers college, and they even have branches or campuses or the universities down here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour through Mandeville. This is part 1. Mandeville is so big we have to do it in 2 parts. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.